Hey guys, it's Mad Monday again. And last week I talked about mastering moisture, and a lot of people reached out to me about that. And so, since this is something that you guys are concerned about, I thought I would do another episode on that. So, today we will talk again about how to master moisture. So, you might be wondering why I'm wearing glasses today. And I actually really rarely wear my glasses, but all of you guys that regularly wear your glasses, especially in the winter time, you might know this issue. You are outside and you walk into a building and your glasses start to fog up. Simple process, right? That's condensation. And that's an issue for your powder. So when you receive new powder, that powder has typically been sitting on a truck all day. And those trucks are typically not heated. So when it gets to your facility, that powder is gonna be cold at this time of the year. And since typically you have a lot of mass in your powder, it's going to take a lot of energy for that powder to reach room temperature again. So here's my tip for you guys. Let that powder sit in your facility for minimum a day or two so it can slowly reach room temperature before you open it and pour it into your machine. That way it will be less likely to draw moisture from condensation. I know this sounds super simple, but this is seriously something you need to consider when working with metal powders. So I hope this tip was useful today, and I'm looking forward to see you next week.